Hello, in this video, we show how to use inner functions in Python. So you can use this source file if you want to download from this website's download menu. Then we go to Python IDE. So what is inner function? Inner function is a function defined inside another function. So for example, here we define a function called outer, then with two arguments a and b. Then inside this function's definition, there's another function called inner function, and also has c and d. Then this is the statement, what's the operation for this inner function. And for this outer function, we will return the result from inner function. So when we call this function, we call only for the outer function, right? So we call outer function use two parameters passing to this function. So we can see this is for the a and b, and because this outer function will return the result of inner function, right? And inner function is calling for the a and b. So these two parameters will be passed to the inner function. So the result will be the addition of these two parameters. So we create this outer function first. We call this one. So the result is 11. The next example is quite similar, just to use string and parameter passed to this long string inside this inner function, and the result is also be returned for this inner function as the result of the out function. So we create this function first, then we pass and three alphabets. You can see these alphabets passed to this long string, because when we call this outer function, and the result will be the return of the remaining of the inner function, and the inner function will be passed with the new alphabet quotes to this long string. Thanks for watching.